She's come from Malai, which is an incredible place. Desserts, frozen treats, cookies galore, South Asian ingredients, all from Brooklyn. For the past 10 years, she's sharing 100+ recipes, personal stories, and cherished flavors, memories in this amazing cookbook right here. So we're just going to get right into it, talk to Pooja, and eat. And that's all I have to say. And I told her I gave up sugar.
You did?
But I'm going to relapse.
You gave up sugar for Lent?
For Lent, yeah, I'm doing it all.
Hi, Pooja.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
You really are the most popular person here.
Just today?
Just today. It wears off.
You know what? Yeah, I mean, he gave me a tiny little sliver, and it just made me want more.
Well, let's eat more.
Yes.
Can we do quick? The book?
Absolutely,
it's gorgeous.
yes. So Malai is an ice cream company. I started it 10 years ago. It's a South Asian inspired ice cream company. We focus a lot on Indian spices, Indian flavors, and just things that I grew up with as a first-generation Indian American. So this cookbook is filled with a lot of personal stories, a lot of recipes, a lot of beloved Malai flavors. We have scoop shops in Brooklyn, D.C. We're opening one in Philly. But we also want you to make things at home. So there's some new things happening, including this fried ice cream pie.
Yeah, what is in this?
Okay, this fried ice cream pie is based off of this childhood restaurant that I used to go to. A restaurant I used to go to as a child.
Yeah.
They made fried ice cream. It was very honey, gooey, crispy, all of these things. But I made it for a crowd. And Ben, you're gonna make some spiced whipped cream.
While you do that, can I try?
No, you need the whipped cream.
Oh gosh.
Would you like me to? This goes in there.
It does. Should we just use the prepared whipped cream?
How fast do you want?
To do this.
We need to put the cardamom in.
Okay, cardamom.
Everything's always spiced.
The spices. I mean, you can look at these ice cream flavors, and there's not like chocolate, vanilla.
No,
no. Just coffee. Cardamom is here. I don't know what this one is.
Pineapple pink peppercorn.
Pink,
we have some peppercorn right there. So beautiful.
Really
Thank you for doing this, because those flavors are delicious, and we should put on goggles.
Do I start in? I start in, right?
You start in.
I knew that. Bobby,
and you start slow.
Okay, didn't go slow.
Okay.
I didn't go slow.
Okay, you got it. You got it.
I feel good about this.
Yeah,
I feel good about
I have
this.
faith.
We're going to massages later. Anybody wants a massage? Very nice.
And this is a whipped cream.
So spiced whipped cream. So everything at Malai is a little spiced, a little more fun, a little bit more zesty. And so even our chocolate chip cookies, we're going to make some ice cream sandwiches too. They have a little bit of star anise in them. These are our coconut saffron kulfi pops. What? We have some gulab jamun ice cream. Yeah, you know what? Do we want to use the prepared whipped cream?
We do.
Yeah, we do. We do.
Stop! Stop!
No.
Is it a clap on?
You're doing great. You're doing great.
Good. Everything's fine.
Yeah, everything's fine.
It's been whipped. The cream has been whipped.
So on this fried ice cream pie, so it's cinnamon ice cream, some brown butter, cornflakes, some cardamom.
Is growling.
This is a level that doesn't exist.
Whipped cream, and then this is a spiced honey. So this is honey infused with star anise, cardamom, some black pepper.
Good for you.
It's so good. All of these recipes are in the cookbook. We're celebrating the cookbook next week. The pub date is next week. Who wants to take the first bite?
Have a bite.
I'm gonna have a bite.
Should I make you a slice?
I can make me. I'll make me a slice.
She even chilled the plate. The plate.
The plate is so.
We take our ice cream very seriously.
And you have little pops here too, right?
Yeah.
We have kulfi pops. So kulfi is a very traditional Indian frozen dessert, and we make it our own that's a vegan coconut saffron kulfi pop.
Oh my gosh.
Made with coconut milk.
It's ridiculous.
Here you go, Ben. I don't want you to feel left out.
I'm telling you right now.
Is that good?
If this is wrong, I never want to be right.
Fried ice cream pie.
And here's some coconut. Yeah, I mean, just eat it all.
Where can folks get these delicious, delectable treats?
So Malai, our scoop shop in Brooklyn, is in Carroll Gardens. We actually are celebrating the cookbook next week, April 9th. We're going to be there. I'm going to be signing cookbooks. We have a special Sunday bar happening with all recipes from the cookbook. We're going on tour, and then we have scoop shops in DC and Philly as well.
I don't know if I just haven't had sugar in a long time, but that's one of the best things I've had.
Hold up. Wait.
Very long time.
Whatever you're doing is right, because this man never eats on live television.
Really?
Well,
can we share some more?
Can we put this date out in the... She's going in for a second one. Thank you. The book comes out April 8th. If you're interested in trying Pooja's ice cream, meeting Pooja, go see her in Brooklyn, Carroll Gardens, next Wednesday, 6 p.m. Tickets are available on her website at malai.com.
I'm going to spread this honey on my naked body in a couple minutes.
Please don't. Lord have mercy.
I don't even care about the bees.
Just get in there.